For many of us, our gardens are extensions of our homes, places where we can unwind and connect with nature. These spaces offer peace and enjoyment, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Our pets too deserve to experience the joy of a garden, but we must ensure their safety comes first. A well-designed garden can be a paradise for them. Creating a pet-friendly garden isn't just about aesthetics, it's about providing a safe haven for our furry companions. This means choosing non-toxic plants and avoiding harmful chemicals. Imagine a sunny afternoon, your cat basking amidst fragrant herbs, feeling completely at ease. Your dog leisurely strolling through a path lined with vibrant blooms, exploring the scents and sights. This idyllic scene is easily attainable with a bit of planning, and by choosing the right plants. Consider plants that are safe for pets and create shaded areas for them to rest. A pet-friendly garden should be a space where both you and your pets can relax and enjoy the beauty of nature without worry or harm. With thoughtful design, your garden can be a true haven for all. Before we delve into the world of safe and beautiful plants, it's crucial to understand the hidden dangers lurking in many popular garden varieties. These dangers are often overlooked by even the most attentive gardeners. Some seemingly harmless plants can pose serious health risks to our pets. Our furry friends are naturally curious and love to explore their surroundings. Common garden favorites like lilies, tulips, and daffodils, while adding beauty to our gardens, can be toxic to cats and dogs. These plants contain substances that can be harmful if ingested by our pets, causing symptoms ranging from mild irritation to severe illness. In some cases, the effects can be life-threatening, requiring immediate veterinary attention. Even ingesting small amounts of certain plants can have adverse effects. It's not just about large quantities. Even a small nibble can be dangerous. It's important to remember that our pets explore the world through their senses, particularly through taste and smell. This natural behavior puts them at risk when toxic plants are present. What might seem like a harmless nibble to them can have serious consequences. The curiosity of our pets can lead them to ingest parts of plants that are highly toxic. Therefore, thorough research and careful plant selection are essential when designing a pet-friendly garden. By choosing non-toxic plants, we can create a safe and beautiful environment for our beloved pets. Thankfully, a wealth of beautiful and safe plants can be incorporated into your garden design. Catnip, a well-known favorite among feline friends, not only provides a burst of playful energy, but also boasts beautiful silvery green foliage and delicate lavender blooms. Rosemary, with its aromatic scent and culinary versatility, is another excellent choice. This hardy herb thrives in sunny spots and adds a touch of Mediterranean charm. For a touch of the exotic, consider bamboo. This fast-growing plant creates a sense of privacy and tranquility while remaining safe for your furry companions. By incorporating such pet-friendly options, you can create a garden that is both visually stunning and safe for your beloved pets. Section 4. Designing your pet-friendly paradise. Creating a pet-friendly garden is about more than just choosing safe plants. It's about designing a space that caters to your pet's needs and behaviors. Think about how your pets interact with their environment and what makes them happy and comfortable. Consider creating designated areas for your pets within the garden. These zones can help manage their activities and keep them engaged. A sunny spot with catnip and soft grass will be a haven for your feline friend, providing them with a cozy place to relax and play, while a shady area with a digging box will keep your canine companion entertained. Dogs love to dig, and having a designated spot for this can save the rest of your garden. Pathway materials should be carefully considered as well. Choose materials that are safe and comfortable for your pet's paws. Avoid cocoa mulch, which can be toxic to dogs, and ensure that all plants and materials are non-toxic. Opt for pet-safe alternatives like cedar or pine mulch. These materials are not only safe but also help in keeping the garden looking neat and tidy. By incorporating these elements, you can create a garden that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also caters to your pet's instincts and preferences. A well-designed garden can be a sanctuary for both you and your pets, providing a space where everyone can enjoy and thrive. Section 5. Reaping the rewards benefits of a pet-friendly garden. The benefits of a pet-friendly garden extend far beyond aesthetics. By creating a safe and stimulating outdoor environment for your pets, you are contributing to their overall well-being. A pet-friendly garden provides an opportunity for exercise, exploration, and mental stimulation. The sights, sounds, and smells of a garden can awaken your pet's senses and provide a welcome change of scenery from the confines of a home. More importantly, a pet-friendly garden allows you to enjoy the company of your furry companions in a safe and controlled environment. It becomes a shared sanctuary where you can relax, unwind, and create lasting memories with your beloved pets.